if you have been thinking about how to monetize your knowledge online, then this is a video you should watch. If you see on your screen right now, this is a screenshot of one of my students that I taught this same thing I'm about to show you right now. So make sure that you don't skip any part of this video, because in this video I'm going to show you the step-by-step process of how you can start selling ebooks online in 2026, and this is going to be a step-by-step guide, so make sure that you don't skip any part of this video. If this is your first time of coming here, please make sure that you like, make sure that you subscribe, and make sure that you turn on your notification bell so you won't miss whatever I share on this channel. So having said that, let's quickly jump into the video. Let me show you how you can start selling ebooks online in 2026. Let's go. So number one on my list is for you to pick a particular skill. You have to pick a particular skill. Now, if you look online, there are a lot of people that are asking different kinds of questions. Some of these questions are questions that are questions that requires answers, questions that are problems, questions that are pain points, questions that will help them to make their lives better. For example, if you go online right now, there are lots of people, over 1 million persons are searching on YouTube, on different platforms, how to do this, how to do that. For example, how to bake cake without oven, how to lose weight, how to gain weight. So many questions online, how to make money online, how to do this, how to do that. So some of these things are the things you can do. If you find out a problem that a lot of people are actually looking for solutions for, and you know you can solve it, or maybe it's an experience that you have gone through. Maybe you've gone through cancer before, you've gone through diabetes before, and you've overcome it, and you want to now share the solution. There are a lot of people who will welcome your solution, who will love to get your solution. So the first thing to do is to actually pick a problem that you can solve. All right, that is number one. Now the second step is for you to go ahead and create the solution. How do you actually create the solution? It's very simple. You just have to package it as a PDF format. You can type it, you can even use AI tools like ChatGPT to create your solution. Once you finish with packaging these things, you turn it into a short PDF guide. It has to be very simple, it has to be straightforward, it has to be not boring, because you're not just creating articles, you're solving problems. You are teaching people how to actually solve a problem. All right, that's number two. Now the third one, once you are done with preparing and packaging your ebook as a short guide, next thing to do is to design your cover. You need a cover to actually get people's attention. So how do you design a cover? You can go to Canva and design your 3D cover. You can even do a 2D cover, or make it just something attractive that what people will see and they will want to get your guide. This is an example of what your cover can look like. This is another one. Are you seeing this now? So you can actually do this for free on Canva, or you can use AI tools to do this. The next thing to do, which is our number fourth step, is for you to set it up online. When I say set it up online, I mean you need to host it online. You need to upload it online. You can use your personal website, or if you don't have your website, you can use third-party websites like Seller. Seller is a very good place to start, and it's for free. It's beginner friendly if you want to use Seller to sell. All right, so this is the fourth step. So the fifth step, before I tell you the fifth step, in case you really want to learn how this works, I'm going to drop a link in the description. I'm going to drop a link also in the post, in the pinned post in the comment section. I'll pin it there in case you want to learn exactly how this works. So number 5, which is our fifth step, is for you to go ahead and market it aggressively. So this is the major part. After you finish creating and uploading, this is the major part that a lot of people are still struggling with. There are people who have their ebooks right now, they are struggling to sell. So if you don't market it, if you don't promote it, your book will just be as good as a good book, or a good PDF, or a good guide, a good solution that is not bringing in money. Are you seeing it now? So you need to actually be promoting your product. If you have a digital product and you are struggling with promoting right now, drop a comment for me. Let me know where you're watching from. Let me know what your challenge is. So once you start promoting very well and you do it aggressively for 30 days, for 60 days, for 90 days, you are definitely going to see results. Now, these are the ways for you to start selling your ebooks online in 2026. I believe you got value from this video. If you got value from this video, please make sure that you like, make sure that you subscribe, make sure that you share this video and turn on your notification bell so you won't miss whenever I share content like this. Also, check the link in the description for more information if you are interested in learning how to monetize your knowledge online. That's all for this video. I'm going to see you in my next video. Enjoy.